Hello viewers, welcome to another brand new video of our English classroom. Here I am your instructor Pramod and I am here with another video with connectors. As I have already uploaded 3 more videos on connectors, so this is my part 4 on connectors. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the latest updates, because I'm uploading grammatical videos, vocabulary materials and spoken English videos and so many other English learning videos that is going to help you a lot. So let's get started. So today I'm going to discuss about 4 connectors, and these connectors are very common. We use them frequently in our sentences and we get them most often when we read a newspaper, when we read a novel or story, when we read any articles on the internet. So if you know this or know the proper meaning of these words and you can use them properly in your writings, then it will be a very good thing for you. So let's get started. Number 1 is accordingly. So in Bengali, the meaning of this word is অতএব or tot অনুসারে. In English, the meaning goes like appropriately, as a result, therefore. So what does it mean? It means you can alternate accordingly with these 3 other connectors. So if you are a student of SSC examination or HSC examination, you get connectors in your syllabus. So you do not need to memorize all the thing all the time, because memorizing will not help you a lot. Rather, you just try to understand the uses of connectors. That means accordingly, appropriately, as a result, therefore, they can be used alternately. Okay, so let's take an example. So number 1, he knew his capability. He knew his capability and acted accordingly. So here the word accordingly is actually meaning tot অনুসারে. So he knew his capability and acted accordingly. Then go for the second example. My father wanted to go on a vacation. Accordingly, he decided to take our opinions. So here, accordingly is working like the word as a result or therefore. Okay, so what does the sentence actually mean? My father wanted to go on a vacation. So sometimes our parents decide to go on a vacation, but it happens that each of the family members have some different opinions for their destinations. Like in our country, some people may wish for Cox's Bazar, some for St. Martin's, other member wants to go to Sylhet or some other place. So here we need to get opinion, and the same thing is going on over here, that the father, that person wants to go on a vacation, and accordingly he decided that he should take the opinion of his family members. Okay, so go for the next one. It's notably. So what is the Bengali meaning? উল্লেখযোগ্য ভাবে অথবা বিশেষ ভাবে. There are several Bangla meaning of a single English word according to uses in the sentences or contents or contexts. So there can be several meanings. So in English, this word notably can be replaced with particularly, reasonably, remarkably, especially. So you can alternate this connector notably with other words like particularly, reasonably, remarkably, especially. Okay, so let's take some example. Number 1, several senior executives were notably absent from the meeting. Several senior executives, actually they were, suppose in an organization, they are holding a meeting, and it is obvious that the senior staffs or the senior employees should be present in the meeting, but sometimes it happens that they are not there. So in this type of context, the speaker is saying like this: several senior executives were notably absent. So the absence, it was very notable, উল্লেখযোগ্য. So notably absent from the meeting. You can also write several senior executives were remarkably absent from the meeting. Okay. Next example, some patients, notably the elderly and the very young, have greater risk of dengue. Okay. So here some patient, notably, this notably is indicating actually especially a specific age group. That's why you can also use especially replacing the word notably in this sentence. Okay. Next one is expressively, স্পষ্টভাবে. Okay, in a way that is expressive, something you want to express, and in properly you are expressing that thing, whatever the activity is. If it is properly expressed, then you can say it is expressively done. So let's take the example. Okay, another meaning is showing what someone thinks or feels. Showing what someone thinks or feels. That means clearly, very clearly, স্পষ্টভাবে. Example: teacher discussed the topic expressively. Teacher discussed the topic expressively and the students could understand it. So this is very common when a teacher explains anything very expressively. The students are able to understand that topic easily and properly. Okay, then go for the last one, in light of. The Bangla meaning is কোনো কিছুর সহায়তায়, কোনো কিছুর সাহায্যে. You can also say like that. Taking into consideration. This is the meaning in English. Taking into consideration. Example: in light of recent developments, we are postponing our meeting. In light of recent developments. So it happens that in a company they already have some developments, and that is the reason they are not willing to organize any meeting. And you can say like this: in light of recent developments, we are postponing our meeting. So these are the 4 connectors that we often get in our reading materials. So I hope this video will help you a lot. So please watch my channel, keep watching the videos also. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.